To begin an assembly file, I can use the blank page icon, or use the File, New drop-down menu and select Assembly. You'll see right away here in the Property Manager that SOLIDWORKS is prompting me for the first component to insert into the assembly. I have two options. I can click the Browse button to select a component saved on a drive, or I can select a component from this list. Any components currently open in other windows are available for selection on this list. Once I select a part to insert into this assembly, you can see I get a preview of the part in the graphics window. All I have to do is click, and the part is dropped into place. Another way to start an assembly is to create it while a component is open. From the File drop-down menu, you'll find an option to make an assembly from the part. There is also a Make Assembly from Part icon available. Notice that the assembly interface looks similar to the part interface we've been working with so far. I have the Feature Manager design tree and the graphics window, but I no longer have the feature toolbar on the Command Manager that I used to access features like the Extruded Boss, the Sweep, and the Loft. Instead, I have the Assembly toolbar, which gives me access to the commands I need while working with assemblies. Also, if you look carefully in the Feature Manager tree, you'll notice an additional item that didn't exist in the feature tree for parts. It's here at the bottom. This is where something called mates will be stored, but we'll get to that a bit later. Now that our first component is in the assembly, let's take a look at how to insert more components.